Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell something about English grammar. So, this video will be helpful for students who are uh, in the junior standard, and this video will also be helpful for the senior students uh, who uh, who study English grammar in their course. Okay, so the topic for today is the parts of speech. The parts of speech. So here we have to see that every word in a sentence are called parts of speech. So speech means here sentence. So every part, every word of a sentence is a parts of speech. So there are 8 parts of speech. First is noun, second is pronoun, an adjective, verb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So the 8 are called what? Parts of speech. So let us see the first one, noun. So noun is the naming word. All the words which denotes or which indicates name are nouns. It may be a name of a person, it may be name of a place, name of things. Okay, so all the naming words are noun. All the naming words are noun. So now the nouns are categorized. Okay, so we have to see the kinds of noun. So the nouns are categorized into two broad kinds. One is abstract noun and another is concrete noun. Abstract and concrete. So in abstract noun, the nouns uh, which are not seen, okay, which are not in the concrete form, okay, but we can feel. For example, air and boyhood, then what, manhood, okay, then this is, for example, air, as I told you, air, manhood, childhood, and kindness. These are abstract quality, so which we can feel but we do not see. So there is no concrete form of these nouns. Then we'll see the concrete noun. So let us see the concrete noun. So there are 4 kinds of concrete noun. So number 1 is called proper noun. Okay, proper noun. And number 2 is called common noun. And number 3 is called material noun. Okay, then the last one is collective noun. Collective noun. So proper noun, it uh, tells the name of persons and place. Okay, persons and place. So this is proper noun. So in common noun, what we find, both male and female. Okay, so it does not indicate the man or female. Okay, so there may be name of in proper noun we find many things like things also, things, okay, like mountain, river. Okay, so country, the name of town, name of village, all are one proper noun. So now what is in common noun? Let us see the common noun one by one. So in common noun we find both male and female, as I told you earlier. So teacher, students, okay, boy, girl. Here we do not use the name properly. Suppose we tell Ram. Ram is a proper noun. Proper noun. Okay, Ram, Sita, these are proper nouns. But when we call, when we use that boy, girl, teacher, students, so it is what? It is common noun. So when we use the particular name, Tom, okay, Jack, or Jodu, Modhu, Ram, Shyam, so Karim, Rahim, so this is proper noun. And when we tell boy, uh, girl, teacher, then what other we can say in common noun, children. Okay, children also, in children we find plural number. Child is what, singular number. Here one thing comes to my mind. The thing is that some students write children's. Children's is wrong. You have to write children. Children itself is plural. You do not have to add s. Okay, not children's, children. Next is material noun. What is material noun? So in material noun we find the matter. Okay, what are the matter with whom we can make another things, like gold, silver. Okay, so it is not like metal. Okay, we can talk about wood. So all are one material noun. With gold we can make ring, necklace, etc. With silver we can make similar things like gold, and wood we can make chair, table, like this. Okay, so these are called what? Material noun. Copper, maybe lead, maybe. So this. Then after material noun we find collective noun. So what is a collective noun? So in collective nouns we find it, so here all the things are together, okay, collected. For example, herd, HERD, herd of cattle, herd of cattle. Okay, bundle of notes, bundle of notes. So all are what? Collective nouns, etc. Okay, so when we talk about noun, then we have to keep in mind another thing. So in common noun, common noun, we find again two kinds of noun. So one is called countable noun, another is called uncountable noun. Countable and uncountable. Okay, the things which